Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
Mutton Xacuti, a rich, intensely spiced and flavor-packed Goan curry that's perfect for meat lovers and curry enthusiasts alike. This traditional dish is known for its roasted coconut-based gravy, aromatic spices, and tender, juicy mutton that melts in your mouth. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Mutton Xacuti. If you've ever wanted to learn how to make authentic Goan Mutton Xacuti at home, this video is for you. From cooking tips, roasting and grinding techniques to perfecting the curry's consistency, we've got everything covered. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Mutton Xacuti. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 1 kg of mutton leg piece cut into medium-sized pieces. Ingredients for marination. Take 1 cup of coriander or cilantro leaves, 3 medium-sized green chilies, cut it into small pieces, 1-inch piece of ginger, cut it into small pieces, 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic, cut it into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of salt. Ingredients for roasting. Take 3 medium-sized onions. Cut the onions into cubes. 1/2-inch piece of ginger. Cut it into small pieces. 4 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut it into small pieces. Take 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. Ingredients for grinding. Take 1.5-inch ball of tamarind. Soak the tamarind in 1 cup or 250 ml of warm water. After around 15 minutes, squeeze the pulp to get the tamarind water. You also need 4 tablespoons of xacuti masala powder. Ingredients for cooking. 1/4 cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Marinating the mutton. In a mixer grinder, add all the ingredients that we had taken for marination. Add the green chilies, ginger garlic pieces, add the coriander or cilantro leaves, add 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water. Grind to a smooth paste. Ground paste is ready. Place the mutton pieces in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the ground paste. Mix everything properly. Cover and keep aside for at least an hour. Step 3. Cooking the mutton. On medium heat, place a pressure cooker and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mutton pieces. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Cook the meat for around 10 minutes without adding any water, as the meat will cook in its own liquid. This process helps to lock in the juices and make the meat tender and flavorful. After around 10 minutes, add 2 cups of 500 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Close the pressure cooker and put on the whistle. Cook the mutton for around 30 to 40 minutes or more, depending on the type or cut of the mutton. Be careful not to overcook the mutton. After the specified time, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Then open the cooker and remove the mutton. Mutton should be cooked just right, not too soft or not too hard. Our mutton is ready to prepare the xacuti. Step 4. Roasting the ingredients. Place a wide open heavy bottom pan on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and stir. After a minute, add the ginger and stir. After a minute, add the onions. Stir everything nicely. Fry until the onions turn slightly brown. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn slightly brown, remove all the ingredients and keep them aside to cool. In the same pan, on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the grated coconut. Stir everything properly. Fry until the coconut turns slightly light brown. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the coconut turns slightly light brown, remove and keep it aside to cool. Step 5. Grinding the ingredients. Once the roasted ingredients have cooled down, take a mixer grinder and add the roasted onions, garlic and ginger. Also add the roasted coconut. Add 4 tablespoons of xacuti masala powder. The recipe link for our xacuti masala powder is displayed at the top right hand corner of your screen now. You will also find this link in the description box. Add the tamarind water. Grind to a smooth paste. We added another 1 cup or 250 ml of water while grinding. Ground masala is ready. Step 6. Preparing the mutton xacuti. Place a wide open heavy bottom pan on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can also use any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the ground masala. Cook the masala for around 10 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Check the taste and add more xacuti masala if required. We added around 2 tablespoons of xacuti masala powder. It will entirely depend on the xacuti masala powder you are using. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After cooking the masala for around 10 minutes, add half cup or 125 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. After around 2 minutes, add the cooked mutton along with the stock. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Curry should not be too thick nor too watery. Check the consistency and add water accordingly. We added half cup or 125 ml of water. Cook for around 10 minutes. Cover and cook. Check in between and stir occasionally to prevent burning and sticking to the pan. Check the taste and add xacuti masala and salt if required. Once ready, garnish with finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything nicely. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Delicious mutton xacuti is ready. Enjoy it hot with steamed rice, sannas, poi or bread. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members through Facebook and WhatsApp. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.